It's rough. You can hear it grinding.
Yeah.
This one you can't hear anything because it's smooth.
Okay.
If you want to tell the difference between the rough and the smooth, you can do it that way. Put a nice knife on there and you listen to the noise. You get smooth is smooth, rough is rough. So you do the rough first.
To make it sharp.
Yeah.
And then smooth it off.
You want it to cut longer and swifter and smoother, then you do it smooth. And the angle is about 20 degrees, 15 degrees, 10 degrees. Just enough to sharpen up the edge.
So why are you using that one?
Because I can, it doesn't matter. You can use any grinding stone you want.
That one's just a bit easier.
It's just getting at the edge to see if I can get the feel. Now when you're feeling the knife, come closer to me. You don't go that way.
No.
You go that way, but you could try that way on your thumb and feel
It's nice.
it's fairly
and
sharp.
Yeah. Okay.
It's still rough. Still rough, so I'll get it on the smooth side. There we go. Haven't changed to oil yet, but because it's cutting quite well, and now I'll get a little bit of oil.
Oh, so you didn't use oil before?
No.
And
Where's my oil gone?
oh, we've been using it to make your toasted sandwiches,
No, you didn't. You used a lot.
as instructed.
Yeah, but you don't have to use so much.
Yeah, I know, but we're learning.
You what?
I'll buy you some more.
Beautiful.
So, sorry, I'm confused. Why did we not use oil and now we're using oil?
Because you've got to judge whether the grinder is grinding and cutting without oil, which it was cutting and grinding without oil, so why use the oil? But now I want to make sure it still cuts and it still grinds down lower and makes it sharper by using the oil.
Okay. And you would just leave the oil on there for the next use?
Oh, yeah.
And maybe just clean it every now and then?
Depends if you wanted it clean or not. No,
Okay.
just leave it on there. It's only a thin vegetable oil.
Okay.
Do you know what? I can see similarities between you and Joe over here. I bet she's about the same age as you.
Who's Joe?
Eh? Joe, the secretary in the
Okay.
in the 21st century shop.
Yeah.
She's Roz's former partner, and she is caught up as a housewife in womanly things and sons.
Yeah.
3 sons, not 3, 1 daughter and 2 sons. A bit older than yours. They're in their 21st year,
Yeah.
but she is a petite woman.
Just like me, Dad.
That's right. Sort of a fussy, not fussy in a bad way, just delicate and easily disappointed from a woman's point of view. And so,
Is that what I'm like?
yeah. And so,
Yeah.
so I treat her with respect. And Roz is more, not butch, she's more
I'm so not
practical,
butch.
more pushy, like more pushy pushed by me. She is.
A pushover.
She's not a pushover. No, there's no way a pushover. She's no way dumb. She is just able to be shoved around and not get delicate and hurt. Oh, how dare you say it to me?
Right.
She's all good.
Awesome.
Where Joe is a little bit delicate.
Cool. And the main thing, can we drink this alcohol from Vitamir?
You can drink it at your risk.
At risk of what? What would happen?
You get drunk.
Oh, that's all
Kill
right.
your brain.
It's pretty strong stuff.
It's pure alcohol.
Pure. Well, I like things that are rare. And
Like me.
antique. And I remember going to Vitamir's house.
Did you?
And seeing bottles everywhere.
Yeah,
And he didn't speak much English, but I
No.
do remember him, and I remember this, and I've never seen a bottle that big.
Yeah.
So it's got memories for me.
Good. That's covered in alcohol, so we'll keep that. That's covered in tops.
Oil.
So we'll keep that.
And note to the family, we do not throw out the milk bottle. We found it in the pantry. It has a purpose. Awesome. Thanks, Dad.
It's a pleasure.
Say, oh, good.
Yeah, we don't mind now.
What was that?
Yeah.
Am I stopping the video or we keep going?
Whatever you want to do.
I'll stop it.
Am I on video? Wow.
Yeah, love
I'm a
you.
rare object about to be disposed of.
Oh, no. Okay. Ciao.